Hey y'all, it's Karen Denton. Alright, I'm here on this construction project. I came here before, but now they're ready. So let me let you see what it looks like. So we're going to clean these floors to start where all the old casework was at. We're going to clean all of this first. And then when they get done with whatever their built out is, then we'll come back and we'll do the windows and our white downs, general white down. So we're not supposed to do anything back behind that green wall. Actually, that wall is going to be gone. In the bathrooms back here in the kitchen. I think it's the kitchen. Yeah. So, a lot of floor work, y'all. A lot of floor work. And then the bathrooms, let's see. They're doing new bathrooms, so I don't gotta worry about that yet. Just these floors. So all of this actually came to put it on the schedule. And then he said he wanted to add something else, so we'll see what he wants to add to the contract. All right, y'all. So I'm waiting for him to come talk to me. All right, see you guys later.
What we need to do is I need to come in and get up all of this shit.
Yeah.
Just get this up the best you can. You know what I mean? It doesn't have to be perfect because it probably won't be. Because you know what I mean? Because it's, who knows how fucked up it is.
Yeah. Yeah, especially.
Yeah. And then when it's all said and done, Dollar General's going to come and put all their shelving out here.
Yeah.
So 80%
It'll be
of this
covered.
floor is going to be covered.
Yes.
So who knows what little spot we didn't get that doesn't come up. If it don't come up, it don't come up. They're not paying for a new floor.
Yeah.
They don't want to pay for a new floor, so this is what you get. And they understand that. So, if somebody has a problem, I say, well, you clean it. You know what I mean? We tried.
See, you know what? People got to understand, we're a cleaning company, but we can't make miracles happen.
Right.
Some stuff would be so destroyed you can't fix it.
She was here for an hour and a half or something.
Oh, really? Look at this part here. This is really messed up. Half of this floor is gone. All the money. Let the floor guys get all this change down here, stuck on the floor. This must have been where the registers was at. This is a mess.
But I can't, I would leave this, but it will just get worse, and then I'll never get it.
So how soon you want this done?
Well, next week would be good, I think, if you could.
Next week?
Because I just got my building permit today.
Okay.
But I'm building a wall back there, which I'll show you where
the
wall
guys
goes.
told me.
Okay, the rest of it, it's a lot of, there'll be nothing going on out here. I'll have an electrician going around. I got to change ceiling tiles, but it's not like nothing's going to really happen out here for another 2 or 3 weeks.
Okay, so I'm gonna pick a day for next week. So how would we have entry?
And then when we're all said and done, all of these things are going to be shelving.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So
Kevin, how will we have entry? You'll be here?
Well, no, I'm going to show you.
Okay.
There is electric apparently coming from that outlet there. So I don't know what other outlets have power.
Okay.
So
we're
going to need an extension cord.
Yeah, the machine. Yeah.
My electrician will be starting in here next week at some point. So.
Yeah, we want to get in here before the electricians because they messy.
Well, yeah, they are messy. So there's a lock box out here.